Welcome to my channel, Hello English. Today's lesson is called State Verbs Made Easy. Learn English with a story. Let's learn together. Let's learn state verbs through a short story. Lily loves learning English. She knows that practice helps her improve. She believes in herself, understands her lessons, and wants to speak English fluently. State verbs describe feelings, thoughts, or conditions. Examples are love, know, believe, understand, and want. Remember, state verbs usually describe a situation, not an action. Keep learning and keep growing. Follow Hello English for more easy grammar lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about state verbs through this short story. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe to Hello English, and follow for more easy English lessons. See you next time.